through how to solve Instagram call notification not showing on your device. First of all, hold on the Instagram icon for some time and you'll see an eye option appear. Tap on the eye and it will lead you to settings. Now scroll down a bit, tap on storage. Here tap on clear case and this may fix any minor issues or bugs. Here you need to allow for call logs permission or your contacts permission. First of all, tap on call logs and tap on allow, as it was on don't allow, so it was preventing from receiving any calls. After that, you can also tap on phone and tap on allow, and Instagram will have access to your contacts. After that, and finally, tap on notification, and you need to make sure that this notification bar is allowed. What this will do is, if any call will come to your device, then it will notify you through the navigation bar, and this may solve your issue properly and you may be able to receive your call directly. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like.